if you have been to Port Harcourt, you know how big Bole and fish is over there. So today we are going to make Bole and fish because why not? Okay, first I am going to start with grilling my fish. We're making this food using our oven. So we start with grilling our fish. Of course, you're going to season your fish the way you like and the way you eat. And then you pop it into your oven and grill. Okay, I'm using the grill function on my oven and you can see where it is. And we are grilling. So this is what the fish looks like after we finished grilling. Then we go straight down to making our sauce. I'm using tatashe shombo, and I'm going to dry it out, roast it a little over heat. And this is what it looks like after heating and roasting. Then we bring it out and we blend. So this is what we use for our pepper sauce. So you blend. I blend some onion too. Onion is another major thing for your Bole sauce, so you don't play with your onion. Okay, after that we're going to put our plantains in. Now you salt your plantain, you make your cuts on it so that the salt will enter into the plantain, and then you pop it into your oven. Okay, we start making our sauce. The sauce is made with red oil, so you can use the amount of oil you want. Then make sure I don't like bleaching my oil, so I'm not bleaching this. You add all your ingredients, the pepper mix, the onion, and you have to boil everything at the same time. I'm adding ginger now, ginger and garlic. So that is normal pepper or habanero, right? Okay, so I put everything together and then let it boil. So these are some seasoning cubes. You put your seasoning cubes just for the taste. You can put in salt too. You can see I put in my salt. Then you turn and then you allow it to boil. That's all you have to do for your sauce. Then this is our plantain. We have to turn it around because the part on top has cooked. So we turn it around. So that's what I'm doing now. Then this is what our plantain looks like when it's done. I brought it down, put in the cooler, ready for eating. Then I put in some yams. You can also put potatoes. So of course, these are otazi leaves. I don't know what you call it over there, but I call it otazi. So I don't know any other name for it. You cut, and this is uba. Of course, we eat it with uba, like it's proteinous and all. So my husband likes everything put together like this. So you just sprinkle everything on top, put it together for him, and put the sauce on top. And that's it. This is what it looks like. Okay. Please note that you can always adjust your ingredients based on your nutritional requirements and restrictions. It's not a one-size-fits-all. So tell me today, will you try this food? Is it something you can eat? Bye.